You know what sets some men apart when it comes to consistent, reliable sexual performance? It's not just genetics, luck, or supplements. It often comes down to nutrition, recovery, and the foods they eat to support their body's natural functions. Many male performers in the adult industry rely on a specific diet that fuels stamina, boosts blood flow, and aids recovery, sometimes multiple times a day. One of their secret tools is a simple, nutrient-packed salad that's not only delicious, but clinically designed to support cardiovascular health, hormonal balance, and sexual performance. I'm Dr. Eliza, here to guide you through the science behind this meal and explain exactly why it works. This salad isn't a gimmick. It's carefully structured with ingredients rich in nitrates, antioxidants, flavonoids, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids, all of which your body needs to function at its peak. One key ingredient even helps support prostate health, while also promoting stronger, longer-lasting erections. Before we break down the recipe, it's important to understand why it's effective. For men who need consistent performance, professionals or otherwise, maintaining optimal blood flow, quick recovery, and reliable energy is critical. The secret lies in foods that enhance nitric oxide production, reduce inflammation, protect the vascular system, and provide essential vitamins and minerals. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels, improving circulation throughout the body, including to the genital area, while antioxidants prevent oxidative damage that can impede vascular function over time. Regularly incorporating these foods can help prevent the age-related decline in blood vessel flexibility that often leads to erectile difficulties. The foundation of this salad is leafy greens, which are exceptionally high in dietary nitrates. Start with 3 to 4 cups of arugula, one of the most nitrate-dense foods available, more than even beets. Wash it thoroughly and pat it dry to avoid a soggy base. Then add 2 cups of fresh spinach. Spinach is also rich in nitrates, and it provides magnesium, which relaxes blood vessels, improves circulation, and helps prevent calcification in arteries. This combination creates a potent foundation for your body's natural nitric oxide production, enhancing blood flow and energy levels throughout the day, not just during sexual activity. To add both flavor and functional benefits, include 2 cups of fresh cold watermelon cut into cubes. Watermelon is a natural source of L-citrulline, a precursor to nitric oxide, and contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that supports cardiovascular health. When paired with a modest amount of fresh grated Parmesan, around half a cup to a cup, you also gain protein, vitamin B12, and a natural dopamine boost. Dopamine is a key neurotransmitter that fuels desire, arousal, and overall motivation. The combination of sweet, savory, and tangy flavors from the Parmesan and a drizzle of balsamic vinaigrette makes this salad both enjoyable and nutritionally potent. Next, toss in about a cup of fresh blueberries. Blueberries and other dark berries like blackberries or raspberries are high in flavonoids and vitamin C, which studies have linked to a reduced risk of erectile difficulties. Their antioxidant properties support blood vessel integrity and combat oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to vascular aging. Including berries regularly is a simple, natural way to protect your circulation and support long-term sexual health. Sprinkle a 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds over the salad to add another layer of health benefits. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, which is critical for prostate function, testosterone production, and overall reproductive health. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Research shows that combining pumpkin seed oil with other supportive nutrients can help maintain prostate health, alleviate urinary symptoms, and even support hair growth. To make the meal complete, include a lean protein source. Grilled salmon is an ideal option because it's high in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which support cardiovascular function, recovery, and sustained energy. If you're not a fan of fish, alternatives like grilled chicken, hard-boiled eggs, or even a lightly fried organic egg work well. The key is choosing a high-quality, minimally processed protein to support muscle repair, energy levels, and hormone regulation. For the dressing, I recommend a simple, organic balsamic vinaigrette made with olive oil. Ingredients like olive oil, apple cider vinegar, garlic, dates, chia seeds, sea salt, and black pepper create a flavorful dressing that complements the salad while providing heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Diets rich in these fats, similar to a Mediterranean diet, are associated with better vascular function and improved erectile health, even in later years. The combination of these ingredients enhances circulation, supports endothelial function, and adds essential antioxidants. This salad is more than a meal. It's a strategic approach to male sexual health, combining nutrition that boosts nitric oxide, antioxidants that protect blood vessels, and essential vitamins and minerals that support hormonal and prostate health. Regularly consuming such nutrient-rich foods can improve energy, stamina, and overall well-being, turning your body into a high-performing, resilient system. By integrating these foods consistently, you give your body the tools it needs to perform reliably day after day. Try this salad several times a week and notice changes in energy, recovery, and morning vitality. Food is medicine, and when used intentionally, it can profoundly enhance both sexual and overall health. Now let's dive even deeper into the science behind why this works. Nitric oxide, produced from nitrates and L-citrulline in foods, is central to cardiovascular and erectile health. Nitric oxide relaxes the smooth muscles and blood vessels, increasing blood flow and reducing the risk of hypertension. Its production naturally declines with age, so maintaining nitrate-rich foods in your diet can help counteract this decline. Antioxidants in berries, leafy greens, and watermelon combat oxidative stress, which damages the endothelium, the delicate lining of blood vessels, and contributes to cardiovascular and sexual dysfunction. Magnesium from spinach, nuts, and seeds further supports vascular relaxation and neurological function, ensuring blood flow is optimal not just during sexual activity, but throughout the body. Prostate health is another critical factor in male performance. Zinc, found in pumpkin seeds, and omega-3 fatty acids from salmon reduce inflammation and support hormone balance, which directly affects libido, energy, and erectile function. Diets rich in flavonoids, like those in berries, also contribute to nitric oxide production and improved blood vessel elasticity, reinforcing the connection between nutrition and performance. Incorporating lean proteins stabilizes energy levels, supports muscle recovery, and provides amino acids essential for hormone production. The psychological aspect cannot be overlooked either. Dopamine, supported by parmesan and nutrient-rich foods, is crucial for motivation, focus, and sexual desire. When men nourish their bodies with these strategic ingredients, they aren't just feeding their physiology, they're supporting mental clarity, emotional balance, and sexual confidence. These effects accumulate over time, showing that consistent dietary choices have both immediate and long-term benefits. In essence, this meal is a blueprint for functional nutrition. Every ingredient is selected for its ability to enhance circulation, support hormonal health, protect vascular function, and improve recovery. This isn't about a quick fix or a one-time performance boost. It's about creating a foundation for sustained sexual health, energy, and overall wellness. Adopting these strategies can help prevent common age-related declines in performance, improve prostate and heart health, and provide natural support for libido and endurance. Beyond the salad, other lifestyle habits amplify its effects. Regular exercise, adequate sleep, stress management, and staying hydrated all contribute to optimal vascular function and sexual health. Combining nutrient-rich foods with these habits ensures that nitric oxide production, hormonal balance, and cardiovascular integrity remain at peak levels. Additionally, testing biomarkers like nitric oxide levels or magnesium status can help you personalize these interventions and track your progress over time. Understanding that sexual performance is deeply connected to systemic health is essential. By prioritizing nutrition, blood flow, and recovery, men can achieve consistent energy, stamina, and vitality without relying on artificial enhancements. This approach emphasizes the science of human physiology, how nutrients, antioxidants, minerals, and healthy fats work together to maintain function, protect organs, and optimize circulation. When applied consistently, it allows the body to perform as a resilient, high-functioning system, both in sexual health and overall wellness.